Jason Castro and Coach Chot Reyes of TNT. Mauna na ako sa'yo, Jason. First half, you led by as much as 22 points, but halftime, it was down to 5 points. Alam natin, it's just your first game back, hindi ka pa 100%. Pero ikaw yung nag-spark ng opensa pagdating ng third quarter.
Yeah. Kaya sobrang nagpapasab kagad ako kasi sobrang yung first 3 minutes nakakapagod talaga. Pero yun nga, nakita ko na kailangan mag-create para sa mga teammates ko. At the same time, yun nga, maka-lay up kami. So, pinus namin yung bola para high percentage shot, which is yung layup at the same time yung mga wide open 3-point namin. So, buti, yun, na-convert namin yung mga fast break opportunities namin.
Jason, alam natin, you were very vocal na how much you wanted another championship at this part of your career. You were close to getting that last conference, but fell short. How did you process that, and how do you approach this new conference, having that in mind?
Every conference naman for me, yun nga, once na hindi namin nakuha, parang kung ano yung mga lesson na yun lang yung tinitake ko and then move on. And then another opportunity naman this coming Commissioner Cup. So we feel na we have a big chance again. So sana yung mga opportunity ganito, yun nga, sabi ni Coach na huwag namin sayangin kasi minsan lang dumarating yung mga opportunities, di ba? So hopefully Final Four muna, semifinals, and then finals. Let's see kung hanggang saan kanya abot.
Now, Coach Chot, 1-1 to start the conference with new players in, with the imports, si Cameron. Where is the team right now when it comes to the chemistry, understanding what you want to happen, and how you want things to get done?
Well, like you said, we had a good first quarter, but a really bad second quarter. We lost the second quarter by, I think, 16 points to a team without an import. So that doesn't speak very well about our team. And I think that's a perfect reflection of where we are as a team now. We can play well in spurts, but we need to be able to put it together and play full 48 minutes. And we're not yet there. So it was important that Jason was present to be able to just inject life and get to the paint for us, because we were settling too much on for our 3-point shots. But like I said, to answer your question, we still have to get to a point where we play a full good 48 minutes, because and that's a process, because we had so many injuries, we never really got complete until very, very late. So we just hopefully get a chance to win a lot of games while we're trying to get better.
Now, Coach, I want to ask about JD Tungkab. He doesn't usually get a lot of minutes. He doesn't usually start. But when you gave him the minutes, the opportunity today, ganda ng pinakita niya. Your thoughts about his performance?
We knew that JD would get a lot of playing time because of the injuries that we sustained. In fact, in practice, he was practically the only point guard that we had, because Jason was injured, Mikey was injured, Kib was injured, and Brian Heruela is injured. So he's basically running the point all by himself. That's why, like I said the last time, we had to call in our 3x3 guys just to get practice guys. We even had to invite guys like Nico Elorde to come in and practice, because we really didn't have enough bodies. So we told him, I told him in our training camp that he had to prepare himself, because he will get playing time just because of the situation, number one. And number two, when we drafted him last year, we really had plans for him, because he has very good size and athletic ability as a point guard. He's a tall point guard, something that we don't really have. So hopefully this is part of his continued development as a player.
We now open the floor to questions from the media.
For the game, tama na
Sobrang thankful ako sa TNT management, kay Boss MVP, and of course Boss Twig at saka Boss Al. And Coach Yot, yung trust nila sa akin, even though na may another 1 year pa ako, in-extend nila yung contract ko. So, sobrang thankful ako and blessed kasi yun nga, yung trust nila sa akin nandun talaga. And at the same time, syempre, hindi ko sasayangin yung tiwalang yun na binibigay nila sa akin. Gagawin ko lahat para yun nga, makakuha ng another championship at the same time maging example sa mga player dito.
Well, like I already said that, you know, I drafted him, so watched him sign his first contract, and I don't know if I just saw him sign his last contract, but by 2025, that would have been his 17th year. Bagay na bagay sa number niya. So 17 for number 17. But more than anything, you know, having players like Jason just has made me a better coach because he's just an absolute joy to coach. Never had any problems, attitude-wise. He's always there. He's always showing up. He always gives his best. And what you don't see is we saw how good he is in the games on the court, but you don't see how special he is really off the court in practice. And that's where you know you really separate the greats from the rest. And so you know, we had to give up a lot. If you remember, we had to give up perhaps our best individual player to get into a position to draft Jason in 2008. And we're very, very fortunate that we made the right decision. So it's just go towards showing our appreciation. That's why we gave him that additional 2 years, even if he still has a year left in his current contract.
Okay, that's it for our post-game press
Thank you.
conference.
Thank you.
Congratulations, gentlemen. Thank you very much.